Good morning to everyone. Yesterday we had discussed about the second property of this number system. We had discussed the commutativity of the whole number, integers and rational number. And we had studied the role of 0 and role of 1. When we add 0 in any number, a whole number, integer number or rational number, we get the same number in the result. Hence, we are saying that 0 is identical for the addition. And we had studied the role of 1. That means if we multiply 1 with the whole number, integer as well as with the rational number, we get the result same number. Hence, the 1 is identical for multiplication. So, we had studied these all things. Now, let me move on the third property. Third property of the number system, and that is associativity. What is associativity? You have studied in the previous standard. If we grouped the different numbers in the different manner, the result must not be changed. Like if we take the example of 5 plus 3 plus 2, and initially let we grouped these two number 3 and 2. Now according to the law of simplification, we know that we have to simplify the number which is in the bracket first. So here we have to add 3 and 2 first. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 5, result is 10. And if we take the same number for the addition, but in this case, let me group these two number 5 and 3. That means we have to perform the addition operation for these two number 5 and 3. Now 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 gives 10. So if we change this group for certain operation, either addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, result must not be changed. And when this law or this operation is performed for the same result, we can say that that operation is associative for certain number system. Here we are using whole number system. So we can say the addition is associative for whole number. We had studied this in this previous standard. So in general, associative law is like A plus B plus C should equal to A plus B plus C. Here the operation may be changed. Right now we are taking addition operation, but sometimes it may be subtraction operation, as well as sometimes it may multiplication, as well as sometimes division operation can be possible. So for every operation, if this result is same, by grouping these two number we get some result, and by grouping this result we get the second result. And if the first result and the second result is equal, like this way, then we can say that that operation is associative. So let me check this associativity for the different operations in the different number system. Initially, let me perform this associativity for whole number system. So certain operations, to understand that operation, we will take some example and then we will conclude that condition. The first operation is addition. Let me take the addition like 5 plus 9 plus 2, and let me make the association of 9 and 2 initially. So 9 plus 2 11 plus 5 gives 16, and let me take 5 plus 9. Initially we grouped 5 and 9 and then we add 2. The result is also 16. Clear? So here we can conclude that the addition is associative. For whole number system. Clear? It is always accepted for the whole number system because the whole number contains 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. That means positive integers. This is the whole number. Now let me perform the operation subtraction. Whole number, that means we have to take the numbers from whole number system. Now for the subtraction operation, let me take 7 minus 3 minus 5. Here let me group these two first. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Here 7 minus minus 2, that means 7 plus 2. Minus multiplied by minus gives plus 1. So 7 plus 2, that is 9. Result is plus 9. Now let me take the association of 3 and 7 for the second example. So 7 minus 3 gives 4. Minus 5 gives result minus 1. See here, when we change this association, initially we grouped 3 and 5, we get 9, and then we take 7 and 3 in the grouping, we get minus 1. So result is different. So that means we cannot say that the subtraction is associative for the whole number system. So subtraction is not associative. For whole number system. Now let me take the third operation. Like multiplication. So for multiplication, let me take an example. 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, and let me take the group of 5 and 2. 5 to the 10 multiplied by 7 gives 70, and 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Here this bracket we had discussed earlier that we have to take the operation of the numbers which are in the bracket first. 7 multiplied by 5 we have to do it first. 7 5s are here. 7 5s are 35 multiplied by 2 gives 70. Now what is the answer? Here the answer is 70, and for the both process the answer is equal. So we can say that the multiplication process is also associative. Multiplication process is also associative for the whole number system. Now the last operation is division. For the division process, let you take an example of division. 7 divided by 21 divided by 42. And let me group these two first. What is the answer? 21 divided by 42 gives 1 upon 2. 21 to the 42. Here the answer is 7 divided by 1 upon 2. Now 7 divided by 1 upon 2, that means the division goes in numerator. That means 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 is your answer. Now let me take the grouping of another number like this way. 7 divided by 21 and divide by 42. So firstly we do this division. 7 divided by 21 gives 1 upon 3, and this divide by 42. Yes, can we get this multiplication in division? Because that means 1 divided by 42. Here the answer is 1 divided by 42 into 3. The answer is 126. Answer is 126. 1 upon 126. So here the result for this grouping 21 and 42 gives 14, and the result for grouping 7 and 21 gives result 1 upon 26. So we can say the answer is different, and hence the result is different, and we can say that the associativity is not holding for the division operation. Clear? Now Let me conclude this discussion that for whole number system, only two things here, the addition and multiplication is associative. Addition and multiplication is associative. That means if we change the association of the number, we get same result. That means that does not depends on the association of the numbers. And for the subtraction and division operation, the result will change. That means that is depend on the operation. That depends on the association of the numbers. Clear? So subtraction and division does not associative for whole number system. Let us change the number system. For integers, clear? For the integers, let me do certain operation like addition. -5 plus 3 plus -7. Here -5 is also included in this integers. And let me group these two first. So 3 plus -7 gives -4, and -4 plus -5, here -5 plus -4 gives -9. Clear? Here -5 plus -4, that means the addition of these two digits gives -9. And let me change the association. -5 plus 3 plus -7. Here it is must that addition operation is performed, not the subtraction. Here we are performing the addition operation with these integers. Integer contains negative also. Now -5 plus 3 gives -2, and -2 plus -7 also gives -9. So result is equal. Hence we can say that the addition is associative for integer number system. Clear? Then for subtraction operation, for subtraction operation, three minus 7 minus -5. See here, we are performing subtraction operation for this grouping firstly, 7 and 5. So here -5 into -1, that gives plus, and 7 plus 5 gives 12. So 3 minus 12 gives -9. Now let me perform the same operation, subtraction operation, by changing this group. 3 minus 7 minus -5. What is the result? 3 minus 7 gives -4. Minus minus plus 5 gives 1. So the result is different. Hence, the subtraction is not associative for integer. Clear? So subtraction is not associative for this integer number. Same way for multiplication, let me check it. For multiplication process, 7 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Now let me group these two first. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 gives plus 3 multiplied by 7. That gives plus 21. Now let me group these two, 7 and minus 1, and let me multiply this with minus 3. What is the result? Here 7 multiplied by minus 1 gives minus 7 multiplied by minus 3. See here, minus 7 multiplied by minus 3. That gives plus 21. So result is same. So we can say that the multiplication process is associative. For which number system? Integer. Clear? Now let me do the same for division. For the division operation, 7 divided by minus 3 divide by, that means let me take the division process in this way. 7 divided by minus 3 divided by 9. So let me group these two first. Minus 3 divided by 9 gives minus 1 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, and minus sign remains as it is. So here the next process is 7 divided by minus 1 upon 3. What is the result? Here 3 is in denominator of the denominator. So it goes in numerator, because we can write this like this way. Here 3 is in denominators of the denominator. So it goes in numerator, and we get 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21. Minus sign remains as it is. So here we result minus 21. Now let me take the grouping of these two. 7 divided by minus 3, and then we will do this division by 9. What is the result? So 7 divided by minus 3 gives, here 7 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, because both are odd numbers and not divisible numbers. So we get minus 7 upon 3 and then divide by 9. That means this 9 is in denominator. So 3 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 9 in denominator gives minus 7 by 27. Clear? So the result is minus 7 divided by 27. Here the result is minus 21. Result is different. Hence, we can say the division process is not associative for integers. Clear? So we have to remember these things. Addition and multiplication, both process are associative for the integers, but subtraction and division are not associative. Clear? Now let me do the same process for the rational numbers. We will perform the same operations for the rational numbers. That means we will take the numbers from rational number system. We will take this from rational number system. So let me perform the first operation for the rational number. divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 7 plus 8 divided by 5. Now let me group these two first. Here, what is LCM? 35. 2 divided by 3 plus LCM is 35. And here 5 5s are 25 plus 8 7s are 56. So addition is 81 divided by 35 plus 2 by 3. Now what is LCM here? 105. Here the LCM is 105, and to get here 105 in denominator, we have to multiply by 35 at here. Let me do the same process at here again. 2 by 3 plus 81 by 35. To make the denominator equal, I have to multiply here 35 in numerator and denominator. And to make the denominator equal here, I have to multiply by 3 and 3 at here. Now the denominator is same. So the denominator is 105 and 35 to the 70 plus 38 81 3 za 243. So the addition is 313 divided by 105. Here the addition is 313 divided by 105. Now let me change the group of this addition, like 2 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 7. Let me take these two group, and then we will add, in the result of this, then we will add 8 by 5. So let me simplify these two first. The LCM is 21. Here 7 2s are 14 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 8 by 5 remains as it is. Here the addition is 29 divided by 21 plus 8 by 5. Now how can you make the denominator equal again? Means what is the LCM? What is this LCM? So here we have to multiply here by 5 on numerator, and here we have to multiply by 21 on numerator and denominator. What is the result here? What is the final answer here? Here 29 multiplied by 5 is 145 plus 21 8s are 168, and divide by 21 5s are 105. Clear? What is this addition? (313) divided by 105. The addition is 313 divided by 105. Now check here, the result is same for both this process. If we take the addition of the latter two digits and we will perform this operation, addition operation, we get this result. And by grouping the first two numbers, first two rational numbers, and then we will add the third number, the result is same. So we can say that the associativity is holding now for the addition operation. So we can say addition is associative for rational number. Clear? Now let me verify this subtraction operation. Is it associative or not for the rational number? Clear? For the subtraction operation, let you take an example of 8 by 3 minus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. And let me perform the subtraction operation for these two numbers. Here, you remember this thing. The number is not minus 4 by 9. The number is only 4 by 9. We are performing the subtraction operation here. Clear? Number is 4 by 9, not minus 4 by 9. Hence, we are taking this grouping. So, you have to do this box, curly bracket first. Now, let me perform this subtraction operation within this bracket. The LCM is 9 because 9 is multiple of 3. So, the first number is as it is, minus, here the LCM is 9 and here is 4 minus. To make the denominator 9, we have to multiply and divide by 3 here. So 3 3s are 9. So we have to multiply 3 here also. 3 1s are 3. Divide by 9. Now 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 9. Clear? Now again the LCM is 9 and here to make denominator 9 we have to multiply by 3 and divide by 3. So here the denominator is 9, we can take it common and the numerator is 8 3s are 24 minus 1. So the result is 23 divided by 9. Now let me perform the subtraction operation for the second association for the same numbers. Like if you perform the subtraction operation for by grouping 8 by 3 minus 4 by 9, and we will do the subtraction 1 by 3 later. So initially here the LCM is 9. Here to make the denominator 9 we have to multiply here by 3 and divide by 3. So 3 3s are 9 is common, 8 3s are 24 minus here is 4 minus 1 by 3 as it is. Here result is 20 by 9 minus 1 by 3. Now see here the LCM is 9. Here to make denominator equal, multiply and divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 20 minus 3 divide by 9 gives 17 upon 9. Here when we change this association, initially we do the association of 4 by 9 and 1 by 3, and then we do the association of 8 by 3 and 4 by 9. We get the different results. So we can say subtraction is not associative for this rational number. Subtraction is not associative. Clear? Okay. Now let me perform the same for the multiplication process. So 7 by 21 multiply 48 multiply by 2 by 49 multiply by 3 divided by 14. Let me perform this by grouping these two first. By grouping these two first. So, how can we simplify this? 7 to the 14. Here, the result is 7 by 48 multiply by. Here, we take the denominator as it is, like in numerator is 3 and in denominator 49 multiply by 7. We do not multiply it with each other initially to get answer very easy way. Here 7 7 will be cancelled and 48 is divisible by 3. So 16 3 is 48. So the result is 1 upon 49 multiplied by 16. What is the result? What is the multiplication? 49 multiplied by 16. 784. 1 upon 784 is your result. Clear? Now let you perform this multiplication for this association. 7 divided by 48 multiplied by 2 divided by 49 and 3 divided by 14. So let me take the association of these two first. So here how can we simplify? 7 7 za 49, 24 za 24 2 za 48. So result is 1 divided by 24 multiplied by 7. We are not multiplying initially for the simplification. 3 divided by 14. Now can we solve it? Yes. 8 3s are 24 and 8 7s are 56. So here multiplication is 56 multiplied by 14. Let me do this multiplication. 56 multiplied by 14. So 784. Clear? The result is 784. 1 upon 784. For this grouping, we get the result 1 upon 784. And for this grouping, we get 1 upon 784. The result is same. Hence, we can say multiplication is associative for rational number also. Clear? Now, for the last operation, division. Is it associative or not? Let me check it. For division, let me take two example like 5 divided by 85 divided by 10 upon 785 divided by upon 10 upon 700 and 3 upon 45. Let me simplify this by grouping these two first. How can we simplify this thing? So 0 0 will be cancelled and 45. So 15 3s are 45. Now 8 divided by 85, sorry 5 divided by 85 divide by, here is in numerator is 1 upon 70 divide by 1 upon 15. Now this denominator will go in numerator. 5 divided by 85 divide by 15 upon 70. Is 70 multiple of 15? No. So can we simplify this thing? 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And here is 14 5s are 70. Now let me do this division process of 5 upon 85 in numerator divide by 3 upon 14. So here the result is 5 by 3 and 14 goes in numerator and 85 goes in denominator. How can we simplify this? Here the result is 17 multiplied by 3, 14 divided by 51 is your result. Clear? For this division. Now let me take the different association. Let I take the different association like this way. 5 by 85 divide by 10 upon 700. Let me take this group first and then we take the division of 3 upon 45. Initially let me cancel it, and here 5 upon 85 divide by 1 by 70. Here 1 upon 50 because of 3 upon 45. So result is 5 by 1 and 70 goes in numerator and 85 goes in denominator. 17 5s are 85. Clear? Divide by 15. So here 50 goes in multiple of this thing. So what is the result? Result is 15 multiplied by 70 divided by 17. Now we can say that here the result is different because denominator is 17. Here denominator is 51. So we can say the result is different. So the division is not associative for rational number. Clear? So for today's class we will discuss about the associativity for the three number system. First whole number system, then integer, and lastly we will discuss about the rational number. Here the two operation, addition and multiplication operation, is associative for this rational number, but subtraction and division, these both operations are not associative. Clear? So we'll learn more later. Thank you very much.